Build a better mousetrap,
and the world will beat a path to your door. Rodents. They're more than just a nuisance. These clever little creatures chew through electrical wiring, making them a hidden cause behind 20 to 25% of fires that have no confirmed source. They gnaw through water pipes, triggering floods and costly repairs, contaminate food, spread disease, and even destroy precious art and family heirlooms. Year after year, rats and mice cause billions of dollars in damage, a quiet invasion we can't afford to ignore. Whether it's a restaurant, a warehouse, a data center, or the comfort of your own home, rodents slip in through the smallest gaps. Once inside, they multiply fast, damaging equipment, increasing fire and flood risk, making patrons sick, and driving up liability and insurance costs. What starts as a small problem can quickly turn into a serious safety and financial threat. Traditional rodent control? It leans on poisons, snap traps, and those endless monthly visits. But those methods, they don't truly solve the problem. In fact, many of them end up feeding the rodents or teaching them how to dodge the traps, and poisons become less effective and even outlawed, leaving you trapped in a costly, never-ending cycle. But at FALLE Engineering, we've chosen a different path. Our systems are carefully engineered, drawing on precision metalwork, infrared and video diagnostics, behavioral science, and military-grade electronics. From the total capture system, designed to remove rodents at scale, to entry guard, standing guard against intrusion at your doors, to vision track and trace tech, pinpointing exactly where the activity is hiding. Every product is built to eliminate rodents permanently. Unlike the old ways, FALLE Engineering never uses poisons, never guesses, and never locks you into monthly bills. Our systems are safe for people, kind to the environment, and simple enough for your own staff to maintain. No ongoing contracts needed. If you're ready for rodent control that truly works, that brings real peace of mind, and might even lower your insurance costs, then trust the engineered systems that tackle the problem from every angle. FALLE Engineering. Book your consultation today